How to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can lock and unlock your keyboard. So if you want to lock your keyboard for some reason so that others cannot mess with your keyboard, in that case, what you're going to have to do is open up your keyboard and I'm going to show you guys with the on-screen keyboard. So you're just going to have to press and hold the shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. And just keep pressing it and you should get a filter key option. So let me just hold it on my PC. So I'm pressing the shift key and holding it for 8 to 10 seconds. And a pop-up should appear on your screen like this. Let me just go ahead and turn on desktop audio as well so that you guys can hear it. So here, let me just go ahead and do this. And once this pop-up appears on your screen, all you have to do is press on yes, and it will automatically lock your keyboard. So even if I try to type here, you won't be able to. So as you can see here, I cannot type anything. So in order to unlock it again, you should press and hold the shift key again. So go ahead and press and hold the shift key. Keep pressing it. You will hear this countdown like this. And you'll hear the beep at the last. So once that is done, you should be able to unlock it again. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.